Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm double filming. If you saw the other video prior to this one, you saw how I got this look. But before I end the day, I thought why not just quickly film my Boxycharm unboxing. I know I slacked last month. I did not upload a Boxycharm video, so we are gonna do double. I have June and July's box. So let's get started. If you guys do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box that you pay for once a month, and then once a month you do get a box that has usually 5 full-size products in it, and the value of the box can vary. It's always over $100, and you're usually getting a lot of high-end brands, whether it's skincare or makeup tools. So if you're just into either or both, I think this is such a great box. And the more that you give feedback every month on the box that you got and do their beauty quiz, the little bit more customized the box will be to you, as well as you do get to choose one product out of your box if you have the base box, which is the box that I pay for. If you do not want to choose and you want it all to be a mystery, you can choose the option with the question mark, which means they will choose for you. So like always, I will go ahead and link their website down below. That way you can check them out for yourself and see if Boxycharm is right for you. Always receive a card with a theme, and then on the back you do get a list of the items you got, what it is, a description of it, and then the value price of that item. So if you wanted to repurchase it in the future, you know how much it's going to cost, as well as you'll know the value of your box. So this is June's box. I did use one item in this box. So I don't normally choose eyeshadow palettes because I have a ton of them already. But I think it was a choice between 2 different eyeshadow palettes and then a mystery. So I think I just had no choice but to choose an eyeshadow palette. But this one really did look nice. And it is like an all shimmer like eyeshadow. Let me just remove the little plastic and get the mirror. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It just looks really, really beautiful and just looks like a nice everyday summer, spring eyeshadow palette. It has a lot of neutrals, and then you do have like a nice purple and pink shimmer as well. It is a really nice eyeshadow palette, and I actually cannot wait to use it. This is the Sahara Night eyeshadow palette, and it is from Eloise Beauty. So it says the Sahara Nights palette features 6 unique, super sparkly, and highly pigmented shimmers that truly leave all your nights golden. So this does go for $35, and it is a Boxycharm exclusive. Next, we received the Dr. Brandt Backlight Primer. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a little tube. It's 1 floor ounce. And this is formulated to fade out your biggest beauty boundaries, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. The antioxidant-rich formula gently blends into the skin, providing a smoother appearance and prolonging the wear time of makeup. Love that. This goes for $38, which is absolutely insane. Now, it does say prime, blur, and glow, so I don't know if it's going to be like a glowy primer, maybe. Ooh. So I just put like a little bit, yeah. It's just like a nice, ooh, it feels really nice. I don't know so much of, I don't know how it's gonna blur, because my hand does not look blur, but it does look glowy. Yeah, so that does seem like a really nice primer, so definitely gonna keep that. All right, so next we have something from the Beauty Vault, and it is their eyeliner. This highly pigmented liquid eyeliner is long wearing and waterproof. The felt tip glides easily to create precise, clean lines. $18. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's just like your nice, like little basic black packaging, and then it's like a felt tip. So I feel like you can never have too many eyeliners, because I typically do a wing, either it's with eyeshadow or with liquid liner, but I feel like you can never have too many eyeliners. So, well, you can. They can dry out and go bad, but you know what I mean. So yeah, so that goes for $18. And next, it's not even in the packaging because I used it, but this is the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump. I do like Too Faced's lip plumpers. I don't mind the tingle. It doesn't really bother me. but some people do find this a bit extreme. I just love like the lid packaging. It just looks so like princessy, and the color too. It's just so freaking beautiful. But yeah, so I really do enjoy this product. I really do like it. This goes for $32. It's the Too Faced. It says Too Faced is the #1 lip gloss brand in America. Are you ready for the ultimate plumping experience? Too Faced pushed limits to the max with lip injection maximum plump. You'll see and feel results instantly. So I already tried it and I do love it. And then last but not least, in June's box, we got the Starry Collagen Gel Eye Pads, and this is from, it's AM&H Skincare, but this is the collagen gel eye pads to reduce wrinkles and dark circles, and this is $32, and you do get 5 pairs, so it's just kind of like your normal eye patches. So yeah, and then this is the total of June's box. Again, it's insane how much these boxes value for compared to the price that you pay. I pay, I believe, just under or just over $30. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I will leave like the prices down below of how much it is for the box. So let's move on to July's box. All right, so we have July's box here, and that's how it was packaged. So it's just like a nice summary card, and again, you have your list of products on the back. The first thing that we got is from Jecca Black, and it is their Glow Drops. It's a highlighting primer for the face, vegan friendly, cruelty free, and it's like the rose pearl shade. So this says prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy natural glow. Apply all over the face using your fingertips before your base. Glow Drops can be worn alone or used as a buildable highlight when completing your makeup look. This does go for $20, and the packaging kind of looks like a little hand cream. I normally don't open all my Boxycharm products because I know I have so much makeup open already, but I really want to see what it's about. Oh, okay. So I don't know if you guys can tell. This looks like a liquid highlighter, like in a liquid illuminator. Like this is, I do not see myself putting this all over my face. Like alone, you're gonna look like a Tin Man if you don't put something on top of it. Now, I know some people do like to put these types of products underneath their makeup and then put a foundation or something and let the glow come through. I think that would work. But as far as just kind of rocking this alone by itself with no makeup, I would just use it as like a liquid highlighter. It doesn't look like it doesn't feel or look like a primer to me. It does feel more like a liquid highlighter, and that's how I would personally use it, but to each their own. But yeah, I really do like it. Speaking about highlighter, guys, I just purchased the Halo Glow, was it filter, I don't even know, but it's something new that e.l.f. just came out with. Guys, check out their site, check out their page. I'm telling you, you're gonna want this. If you like the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter, go to e.l.f.'s website. I don't know, it might be sold out by the time you see this video, so I'm sorry, but just saying. All right, so next we did get some liquid eyeshadow. This, to be honest, I'm thinking about giving away because I don't use liquid eyeshadow a whole lot, and I can just see this like sitting in my collection and me not really using it or touching it, so we will see. But this is the, all right, so this goes for $18. It is a dual-ended long-wearing liquid eyeshadow. On one side is a creamy velvet pigmented matte formula, and the other side is a dazzling liquid glitter formula. They are easy to blend and can be layered, mixed, and matched. A double dose of fun. So these do seem like fun for sure. Again, it's just like I already have two of these from Huda Beauty, and I don't reach for them a whole lot as much as I thought I would. So I will probably just automatically pass this on, but it is a very nice like copper shade. So this is the product that I chose for July's box. So this is the Alley-Oop Stack the Odds. It says it is a best-selling 3-in-1 stackable compact that packs a cream, blush, bronzer, and highlight for a complete natural look. The creamy formula is blendable, buildable, and infused with moisturizing ingredients like jojoba and sunflower seed oil for a natural glow. Apply directly with the fingers anytime, anywhere with a makeup brush for a more dramatic effect. Travel friendly in a lightweight compact. The cream formula doesn't break like traditional powder products. $38. So there were different shades that you can choose from. I think I chose the middle one because I think there was 3. So this one is in the shade Sun Kissed. Guys, I really do like this actually. I actually can't wait to give it a try. I am all about cream products. I really am. Like, I just love how cream products look on the skin versus like powder. So this is what it looks like. And I haven't swatched anything yet, but I did open it up to see. And then this part is a lid. And then you even have like your little mirror. Guys, isn't that the coolest like packaging ever? Like, it's just so cool. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. So I am very excited to try this out. I do love the moisturizer that's in this line. So this is from Kate Somerville. It is their Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream, Condition and Restore. I have their cleanser right now that I'm using, and I actually have 2 because one came in my Boxycharm box, and then I bought one from the Boxycharm site, not knowing that it was coming in my Boxycharm box. Anyways, I really do like the cleanser. It's so moisturizing, and I just feel like my skin's clean, but it's not stripped. So I was really excited to see that I got the matching moisturizer. Kind of want to open it to smell it. Oh my God. It doesn't really smell like much. Like, their cleanser smells really good, but which is nice because a cleanser you're washing off versus a cream, it's sitting on your skin, so you really don't want it to be too fragrant. But yeah, so I am very excited to have something else from Kate Somerville. Glow Recipe and Kate Somerville are one of my 2 top like favorite high-end skincare brands, so I'm always super excited to receive something from either one of them. And then I did receive something from First Aid Beauty. So this is their Gentle Foaming Face Cleanser with amino acids, lifts away dirt, oil, and debris, safe for sensitive skin. So I'm really excited. I hear a lot of good things about First Aid Beauty. I do like their cream. So yeah, so I haven't tried a ton of products from them, but I am very excited to use this. And this goes, oh, did I tell you how much the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream is? $76. $76. I'm so happy I receive a lot of these products in my Boxycharm box. The Kate Somerville moisturizer is clinically tested, safe for sensitive skin, and gentle enough for all skin types. This nourishing cream is clinically formulated with moisture boosting, visible redness reducing ingredients known to soothe dry, tight skin, inspired by the relief founder Kate experienced as a child when goat milk helped alleviate her painful eczema. So that's really nice. All right, so back to First Aid Beauty. This goes for $24. An ultra gentle daily cleanser with self-foaming technology to clean skin and pores, leaving it soft and moisturized, never tight or dry. The oil-free pH balance formula includes a mild apple-deprived amino acid, a natural cleansing agent, and skin-soothing ingredients, colloidal oatmeal, aloe, and bisabolol. I have no idea how to say that. It's free from sulfates, artificial fragrance, dyes, alcohol, and other harsh detergents and chemicals. So yeah, so this goes for $24, which is not bad for First Aid Beauty because normally they can be a little bit more pricier. So, but yeah, that is everything in my box. I feel like I'm pretty happy with both boxes, to be honest. This is how much July's box cost, by the way. So again, it's mind-blowing. It's crazy. In the first box, I did receive I received 4 makeup products and only 1 skincare product, which is really, really nice. A lot of people complain that they get more skincare than makeup, and they signed up for makeup. So again, you really want to continue to rate the products that you get each month, so that way they know what you like and what you don't, as well as customize your beauty quiz. But I'm pretty happy with this, with June's box, because again, I got 4 makeup products and only 1 skincare. But I, for one, do not mind getting skincare because they give you, most of the time they're giving you really good skincare that's very pricey. Like for example, Kate Somerville's moisturizer is $76. When am I ever going to go out and pay $76 for a moisturizer? Never. So I'm okay with that. So in this month's box, I received 2 skincare items, not bad at all, and then I received 3 makeup items. So I think that that is a nice balance. So that is everything, guys. Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching. Until next time, bye.